Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you had a very good night rest, wherever you were hearing it for, and welcome to my channel, Be to Profit. Well, a quick one. Now, this is gold. Yes, this is gold. And I want to try to scalp this gold this morning to go up. I've been watching the gold, especially on these two levels. 24.39.87 and 24.33.93. I'm looking to scalp this gold this morning if it goes our way. I'm looking to buy around this level, but I'm still looking for the pattern that I'm looking for, and I have not seen it yet. It keeps moving down, and what do I actually look for is basically I'm using two time frames to scalp this gold or GU or EU, but this time is gold. So I'm looking for I'm looking at 15-minute time frame, and I'm looking at 5. My execution time is 5 minutes, but I'm looking at 15 minutes. So as you can see this area, the market has been moving so fast down here. So I'm expecting some movement, some kind of pattern, some kind of candlestick formation around this area that will show that we are ready to at least go for buy. And what actually happened is that I don't really stay long. It's a scalp, even though it's 5-minute scalping. So what I do is to go for 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and whenever I see this opportunity, then I jump into it 1-to-1 usually. But I'm still waiting for certain pattern. If we see this pattern, I will see it's coming down here. We have another candle down here, but something's gonna happen. If it happens, then I will try to jump into it. Sometimes you might have to lose maybe one trade, then the other will go, but I'm still looking. So what I'm looking now is in the next 5 minutes, if this candle closes in green, this current candle closes in green, I would take the trade when the next candle breaks the highs of this particular candle. It's quite interesting, but we will see how it goes. I mean, this particular candle that is forming, and we'll see that it's just 8:51 my time. So in the next 5 minutes, if the candle closes in green, the next candle that breaks the highs of this candle is my trigger point. Then I'll enter, or I'll set the limit on this candle. Then my stop loss will be just below this pivot low here. Then I will go for 1-to-1. That means from this low pivot to the break of this candle potentially. Then I'll find the range. The range could be, let's say, maybe if it happens the way I projected it, so will be this low is 24, 35, 37, and let's say 35, 37, and 39. Okay, so between 35 to 39. So that is about 40 pips, something like that. 35, 36, 30, yeah, something like that. Around 30 something to 30 something to 40 pips if it happens. But now it seems it's still coming down, so nothing will be done. First of all, I will need a candle to close in green, at least telling us that something is happening, some buyers are coming into the game. Then the next candle could be a trigger. But now, as we see, it's not happening, so we have to be patient and see. So I'll be looking at this. It's quite an interesting concept, and but now, for now, as we could see, the market still moves down. It's a very long move, as you can see. It's a huge sell. It's a huge sell. And whenever I see a huge sell this way, usually we have a sort of correction back up. Yeah, usually it happens this way, but we would wait and see what gold will do. So if we come down here and we did not, the support here did not hold this, and we eventually move perhaps down here to this area, or this area first, there's another level here, or we come down to this level yeah, without breaking the low here yet. So the same principle applies. The same principle applies. So that's why I'm putting this on 15 minutes, as you can see. So I'm doing the analysis on the 15-minute time frame, and I will be waiting for 5 minutes to give me the trigger. So sometimes you wait and nothing happens. Sometimes you wait, something happens. The key word here is to wait, and you have to stick to your plan. Wait for the analysis to play out according to your projection, and what happened next we will see. So let's wait and see. I'm still waiting for some sort of reaction here. The market is still, pushing down. Gold is still pushing down very well. It's huge push, but we're still gonna wait. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. All what I'm looking for is some sort of push up, the next candle to be green candle up. Then if the green candle forms, as we see now, there's another one. So this one is trying to form some low here, but we don't know yet what's gonna happen, so we wait. Let's wait and see. So I'm going to pause this video, and after some time, if the pattern forms as I mentioned earlier, then I will start again, and we could see where the market can go from here. So let's wait a bit and see. Yeah, I'm seeing some volume coming back in terms of buying. So let's see if this holds, this buying pressure holds. Then I'll wait for another candle, either for buy and sell again, but I'm not going to enter yet. I want to see, as long as the next candle does not break the low of this particular green candle, I'll wait a little bit. Then this will inform me whether to now buy. But I want to buy. I'm looking to buy this particular price, and I'll wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. I think we should have a good setup soon now. Now we see some buys. Hopefully it will not flush down again, but if we can hold this low, this is very important. This very low, if we can hold it, this same candle that forms, it's about 3 minutes to 9 o'clock my time, then we would see something. It should hold. As I'm saying, it seems we have a very good move up. So let's wait and see. So what I'm waiting for is this next candle to form, and as long as this next candle does not go below this particular green candle, then I would start to assume that the selling pressure is dying out or is fading out. But I have to wait. So when I wait and I see the candle, red candle or green candle, whatever candle is forming here, doesn't matter, as long as it stays within the range of this green candle in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to trade the highs of this particular candle. That's what I'm looking for now. So this particular candle that is forming right now is potentially our trigger candle. So if it could form in the next 5 minutes and it doesn't break below this one, then I'm going to trade above the highs. Particular high, I will set my buy stop on this, and I'm expecting the market to move at least from 1 to 1. That is from this region. That is what I'm targeting. This is 32 and 24, 39. Okay, 32, 34, 39. Yeah, so 32, 39. It's about, that's about 70 point something pips. If it works that way, but let's see. Only if this red candle doesn't go beyond this below candle, and we will see. As you can see, I have somehow put my order here, but not just in case I will be fast enough to set it. But I don't know what's gonna happen. We would see. It seems the selling pressure still persists. Still coming down, so it's quite interesting. There's a lot of pressure to sell gold this morning, but all I'm looking for is this particular candle not to go below this one. Hence it will form some sort of, if it happens, some sort of, okay, then it doesn't. Now we move much more down, so the process starts all over again if this happens. So I'm looking for some sort of buying pressure. So it seems now that it breaks the low here, then we expect it to still flush down at some point, to flush to the next target level here, where I put this. It's quite interesting though, even though it's a scalp, you know, just have to be patient, because you know that when you have this solid system to add a scalp, you wait, because you have a high chances. Your chances to be correct or profitable is high. So let us wait a little bit and see how it happens. I'm going to pause this video and wait until perhaps we have a potential setup, then I'll come back. Let's wait and see. Now I'm seeing a pattern here forming, so we're back to the same trade. So we have about 2 minutes to go, and as I've been saying, so if this candle now closes, I'm going to place my stop order by order just in front, or just above this particular candle, and we will go for 1-to-1, this range from 24.29 to 24.34. That's about approximately 50 pips, and we're going from 34 to 39. This is our target. But if it forms, as we see now, if it closes within this range, then I'm going to set my order. It's about to happen now. I'm going to set my order just above. Yes, now let me set my order above here, and if it doesn't go below here, which is our stop loss, if it moves above this, then we expect the price to move to the next target here to give us our 1-to-1. Let's see if it happens or if it does not. So this is basically the scalping method, and it's really working a lot. It's really interesting, but we don't know what will happen. But as long as we stick to the plan, let's see what happens. So we have set our order, and we will be moving. We'll be waiting for some actions here. As long as we do not break below this pivot low here, if the price, you know, remains on this level, we our projection is to buy. Yes, our projection is to buy. So, and when it buys, we will actually go beyond this one actually, but just for the sake of this video, let's wait and see if we might have some. And quite interesting, if the candle that is forming currently now is still here within this range, and it doesn't go below this, my next candle will be, that is the trigger point will be above the current candle, not above this candle. So it's just the way it works. But let's see, wait and see what happens. It seems we are moving toward our order now, and let's see what will happen next. Well, unfortunately, we did not get this time. We couldn't. The price did not go to our orders, so we're gonna cancel the order and we wait for the next one. It keeps moving down, which is quite good, no problem. We did not enter any trade. We keep looking at what is happening. There's a huge sell-off, not only on gold this morning. We have a huge sell-off on EU also. We have a huge sell-off on GU also, so quite interesting. This morning around 9 o'clock, this sell-off actually happened, and I'm expecting both EU and GU to continue to go down, to also go down regardless. So, but I'm fixed on gold this morning. If my projection is right, we will have a good buys at some point, until if the price goes below this point here, that is 24.11, 24.11 good. So we will see what happens. But let's pause the video again and we will see what happened next. We have another potential trade scalping in GBP USD. We have been trying to actually spot where we could buy from gold, but gold still selling. And the same concept, I'm looking at the 15-minute. As you can see, relatively we're coming down. There is a huge sell-off here, and we see it broke this low here, as we see here. And I'm looking at a potential continuation for this huge move down. As we look at it, so it goes down, it got somewhere here, it got to somewhere here, but I'm still expecting continuation to move down. So just as I have been talking about gold, if opportunity comes, if we have the setup on GU, yeah, we're going to continue our short. We continue our selling here. It's the same idea that we have been talking about from gold. Gold did not give us the trigger point, but I'm not quite sure if GU would give us the opportunity to continue to sell. But we would wait and see if we would have a potential candle. All what I need is another candle forming just after this one that will be in between the range of this mother bar candle, if it's gonna happen. But we will wait. Let's wait and see. We have another 5 minutes to go and we'll see. But in terms of gold is still dropping down, so we don't have any trigger point. We almost have a trigger point here with these two candle here that formed, but unfortunately the price pushed down, not up, so we didn't have a trigger point. I still set my order here, but well, whenever we see the opportunity, as long as the market the price does not go below this low that we set earlier, so we will see. And I'm still looking at the GU, that is GBP USD. If this candle does not flush down, maybe it might give us opportunity, but otherwise if it flushes down, then nothing we can do. It seems the market just keep moving, even though we know where the market is going. We know exactly our next projection. However, sometimes the market will not wait for you to execute all your plans. Well, that's totally fine. Next time you will do it. There's always time for next time. We want to be patient in order to execute our trade properly. Now we see we're still here. Now what am I looking for still? Well, I'm still looking for this gold. So now don't mix it up. We have two different currencies we're watching, GU and gold. Gold has been the talk of the day. So let's see what happens around here. If this buy holds, then I might want to take a buy from the break of this particular candle. Oh wait, it's another 3 minutes. And we'll be going for 1-to-1 risk to reward. That is 27, 24, 27, 21, 24, 21. So about 60 pips. We're going for about 60 pips actually. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what happens. So about 3 minutes to go. So if I have, so my plan is just after the close of this current candle, and we have the next candle break the highs of it. Doesn't have to close, just break it, then we're moving up. That is what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. And we will see. We have 2 minutes to go. We have 2 minutes to go. Yeah. 1 minute to go. Trying to move my order down. About just a few seconds to go. So we will see what happens. It keeps moving up. So let's wait. Yes, now we set our order just right above here, and once the market breaks it, I'll set my stop loss below here, right there. Yes, so we will be hoping for this 22, 28. We're going for about 60 pips from here, 28 to about 34, somewhere here. 34, perhaps we can reach 1 or 2, but 34 is our first target. 34 is our first target if we get there. Yeah, somewhere is our first target here. 34, 35, that is our first target. So since we are in, not yet, we are not in the trade yet, because perhaps of the spread, we are not in the trade yet. We give some space. Now we got into the trade, so we will see how this goes. Now we are in the trade. So we are expecting the price to push at least 2, minimum 1 to 1 risk reward. I'm expecting it to reach at least this level here, 38, and I'm expecting to move up a little bit more. So we might end up having good. Let me even put I think we should get a little bit higher here, but because it's 1 to 1, don't forget it's 34. We get to 34. When we get to 34, I can as well take my profit out. So let's wait what happens. Let's wait for what will happen. We hope we are correct, and let's see. This is live. I'm trading this live, and I just want to document this and see how this goes, and for my viewers, so that they could also learn something from this. I will be dropping this kind of analysis, both losses and profits, not necessarily every day, but whenever I see opportunities. So let's see what happens, and if it fails, we'll look for the next opportunity. That is how it works. But for now, we are still in the trade. Let's wait to see how it goes. So if you don't forget, our trigger on our take profit is around 24.34, 24.34.50 thereabout. And now we could say we are heading to one-to-one already. Our one-to-one is already hit. Our one-to-one is already hit. Yeah, so this is actually one-to-one risk reward. We've already got to 35, as you see, 35.06. We've got to 35, and now we can go ahead and take our profit. We can go ahead and take our profit. So it's a positive trade after all. I'm not going to wait for it to go. It definitely will move a little bit higher, but I don't think we should respect our system, and we should take a profit whenever it is necessary. I'm seeing that it's a little coming down, but then we have already gotten to our profit. So this is how it goes, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you perhaps tomorrow. And if I see opportunities during the day or tomorrow, I will also post it. And this is how this system works. It's as simple as that. But I will upload more videos. If you want me to have a maybe small telegram channel where I can drop signals from time to time, if you like, you can drop the comment and I will do so. So thank you for viewing this video, and I hope you have a nice day. This is how we do the scalping every day, and it's highly profitable. So thank you guys, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.